Chicago, we in the building. We here. It's time to work. We about to get you that work. We about to get back in the lab. We linking up with Jane Addams Resource Corporation. Getting people great jobs, changing generational curses, all of that stuff. We're going to be at Proviso West High School. We're going to be rocking with MFG Renaissance. So we're going to be moving around the Chi all week. Chi City, what up?
Dreams are meaningful when you work toward them in the real world. If you merely live within the dreams of other people, it's no different from being dead.
It's only natural that you feel afraid right now.
We all possess something inside us that we cannot compromise. It's that inner passion that gives us the strength and courage to fight.
It's the MFG here, and I'm with my people, Jane Addams Resource Corporation, here in the city of Chicago. We at the Ravenswood location right now, where tomorrow night you could come support us helping eradicate poverty.
Never been scared of that pressure, I'm pushing through everything. Pressure bust pipes, but I thought I could make it through anything. Trauma on trauma on trauma on trauma, a murderer, death and some issues with mama. I started drinking a pint every night.
DJO in Chicago, changing the name to the Champions of Champions Tour, and get more into that and why. Both DJO, MFG, Jark Games.
Jesus, he told me to give him my life, gave him my sins, yeah, I put it on him. He cleaned me up and he got me alright. I go around in circles, trying to find my purpose. Little bag, trying to feel something, but it was worthless. Took some time to add it up. Couple things were adding up. Watch him turn it all around. Turn it all around for me. All around. Turn it all around for me. All around. Turn it all around for me. All around. Turn it all around. Me and Mike spinning and living in sin. We moving so heartless. Walking in darkness, people's gonna get that bread regardless. 52 months in the feds, he hardened. Told the judge, I beg your pardon. Mama crying, want him pardon. I had to say their leader parted. Let us all burn.
Surprise your boy with a one-of-one. You could get one too. I'm gonna put a link under here so y'all can check out how to get your own. One over here. This is my girl right here. And these are the types of kids that you're gonna help get a good start and do more things like this, support programs like this. Can't manufacture, baby. But tonight, you know I had to make time to stop in with my family. Every time I'm in the shop, I get with the MFG Renaissance.
I go around in circles, trying to find my purpose. Little bag, trying to feel something, but it was worthless. Took some time to add it up. Couple things were adding up. Watch him turn it all up.